हेलो। हमारा टॉपिक है डेरिवेटिव ऑफ वन फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू अनदर फंक्शन. लाइक वी हैव फंक्शन y1, it is f1x, means first function is y1 or f1x. ठीक है, this is first function. And same way में we have another function y2, that is f2x. So the working rule is first we will obtain the first derivative of first function, that is dy1 over dx. Same way में we will obtain dy2 over dx. But the requirement is derivative of first function, means y1, with respect to second function, means exactly the focus on dy1 over dy2. ठीक है, means derivative of differentiation of y1 with respect to y2. Clear? So we will divide these two results, dy1 over dx and dy2 over dx. So on dividing this, dy1 over dx and dy2 over dx, so dx cancel out हो जाता है. We will obtain the result dy1 and dy2, right? So this is the result in terms of x, right? So this is the working rule. So on this method we will discuss the few questions. Differentiate e to the power x with respect to under root x. Means given है आपको y1 is e to the power x and y2 other function is root x, and differentiate e to the power x with respect to root x means dy1 over dy2. So we can also write dy1 over dx and dy2 over dx. So first we will find the first derivative of y1 and then first derivative of y2. So that is dy1 over dx is d over dx of e to the power x. So we get e to the power x. And the same way में dy2 over dx, the first derivative of second function, that is d over dx of root x, that is 1 over 2 root x. So we want this. So dy1 over dy2, that is the derivative of this divided by this. So dy1 over dx over dy2 over dx is e to the power x over 1 over 2 root x. So as a result we get 2 root x e to the power x. This is your answer. Differentiate sine inverse 2x over 1 plus x square with respect to cos inverse 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square, right? So it is y1 and this one is y2. So first y1 is this, so we substitute value x equals to tan theta. So y1 is sine inverse 2 tan theta. Put the value of x on this expression, 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, so this is the formula of sine 2 theta in terms of tan. So it is sine inverse sine 2 theta. So we get 2 theta, and in terms of x, theta is tan inverse x. So 2 tan inverse x is y1. So differentiate this, dy1 over dx is d over dx of this function 2 tan inverse x. So as a result we get 2 over 1 plus x square, right? So y2 is this, that is cos inverse 1 minus x square over 1 plus x square. So again let x is tan phi. So put this value, y2 is cos inverse 1 minus tan square phi over 1 plus tan square phi. So this is the formula of cos 2 phi in terms of tan. It means this is cos inverse cos 2 phi. So that is cos inverse cos neutralize हो जाएगा, you get 2 phi. तो y2 is 2 phi means 2 tan inverse x, right? So dy2 over dx is differentiation of 2 tan inverse x. We get 2 over 1 plus x square. So we want dy1 over dy2, that is dy1 over dx over dy2 over dx. So put these values, this value and this value. So it is 2 over 1 plus x square, and this is 2 over 1 plus x square. So we get 1. So the differentiation of y1 means this one with respect to y2 means cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square, then it is 1. So this is your answer. So next question is differentiate tan inverse under root 1 minus x square over x with respect to cos inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. Okay, so y1 is this, y1 is tan inverse under root 1 minus x square over x. So again we use the method of substitution. We put x equals to sin theta or cos theta. So x is cos theta, or you can say theta is cos inverse x. Okay, so put this value on this expression. So y1 is tan inverse under root 1 minus cos square theta over cos theta. So it is tan inverse, this becomes sin theta over cos theta, that is tan theta. So it is tan inverse tan theta. So cancel out, it is theta only, and theta is cos inverse x. So put this value, this is cos inverse x. So y1 is cos inverse x. So on differentiation of y1 with respect to x is d over dx of cos inverse x. So we get minus 1 over under root 1 minus x square. So second function is y2. y2 is cos inverse 2x under root 1 minus x square. So again we let x is sin theta. Okay, so this becomes theta is sin inverse x. So y2 is cos inverse 2 sin theta under root 1 minus sin square theta. That is cos inverse 2 sin theta, and this is the cos theta. So it means sin 2 theta is the formula. So cos inverse sin 2 theta. So put the value of this sin in terms of cos. So we get cos inverse cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. That is sin theta. Again this is same value. So you cancel out hoga. So it is pi by 2 minus 2 theta. Means pi by 2 minus 2 and theta is sin inverse x. So after differentiation of y2 function, second function, with respect to x, we get pi by 2 minus 2 sin inverse x. So as a result this is 0 minus 2, and what about sin inverse x is 1 over under root 1 minus x square, right? So you get this value. But as a result we want differentiation of y1 with respect to y2. So it is differentiation of first function with respect to x divided by differentiation of second function with respect to x. So on putting these values we get minus 1 over under root 1 minus x square, and this is minus 2 over under root 1 minus x square. So cancel out this, we get 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2.